Dear customer, we thank you for purchasing the spiral mill from a company Cell Crusher Ireland. Unigenetics is an exclusive distributors for Cell Crusher in India. Here we are trying to demonstrate how to operate the machine. It's a very simple plug and play instrument. You can see that there are two components of this machine. One is a small pump which keeps your sample cool. Pump is a very simple pump and this operates at 5 volts DC adapter. Always make sure that the pump should be merged into the cool water. It should be never operated with air, otherwise the air will be trapped in the pump and it can damage the pump also. Ideally, your vessel should be 3 liters or above and half should be water and half should be crushed ice. The connections are very simple. One tubing is going from the pump connected to the top part of the cooling chamber, and the down part is coming back and going again to the vessel. So this way this small pump circulates the water in the cooling chamber and your sample is always cool. Always be sure to keep the vessel close to your spiral mill. Maximum it should not be more than 1 feet away from the spiral mill. Otherwise the tubings will be very long and the pump will not work effectively. Now we are coming to the main machine. This is called spiral mill. So this works on 18 volts power supply. This is again a DC supply. On the back end side there is a on off switch. So just put the switch on. Now we are going to load our sample. This is a grinding chamber. This is made up of two parts. This is called SS vial or stainless steel vial, and this is called the grinding plastic device. So what we have to do, we have to put our sample in the SS vial, and on top of that we just have to push this plastic device a little bit.
Spiral.
This is the cooling chamber. We have to load it in this. So this lock, this is a lock which locks the SS vial part. So take the lever out and put the SS vial and leave the lever. Push it below the rotor. This is a knob. This is a lever. This is called the lever knob and this is the lever base. Lock it with the lever base, press it down and you will see a click sound. It means that the vial is locked properly. On the top, we can change the RPM or speed and the time. The RPM can be set from 100 to 3000 RPM. For all the microorganisms, we have to run it always at 3000 RPM. The timer can be set from zero point 0.1 to 9.9 minutes. So at this point of time for a small run, I am setting it at 1 minute. Speed is 3000 RPM. When you load the sample, make sure that the plastic is moving freely on the rotor. So that is what it is happening. And just press the go. So you can see that the internal plastic or inner plastic is moving, but the outer plastic is not moving. That is the way it should be. Normally for lysing the microorganisms, tough microorganisms like yeast, bacteria, algae, we run it from 3 to 5 minutes as per the parameters given in the manual. One more important thing is that never press this stop. This is an emergency stop, and if you press this stop, you have to reset the machine by taking the power out. Also, one more important thing is that until and unless the chamber is below the rotor, you cannot change the RPM or time. You can change it once your chamber is below the rotor. So that is all about the machine. This machine is very effective and reasonably priced for extraction of proteins from the microorganism. With once again, thank you for purchasing the machine. And in case if you face any problem, always feel free to contact Unigenetics. Thank you so much.